Good morning, girls. Hope everyone is well and safe at home. Girls, last time we were discussing the topic 3rd June plan. We have discussed the introduction. Now, today we are going to discuss the main points. Now, open your books on page 61. The main points are as under: British government would divide the India into two separate states. In the 3rd June plan, it was decided that India would be divided into two separate states, one for the Muslim majority areas and another for the Hindu and Sikh majority areas. Secondly, dominion status would be given to the successors governments of the two states. Dominion status means supreme status. It would be given to which governments? To the successor. Successor means one who succeeds another of the two states. Thirdly, a boundary commission would be appointed to demarcate the boundaries if any of the communal group decides in favor of dividing the provinces of Punjab and Bengal. So there would be a boundary commission who would make the decision. It was specially appointed, and it was the duty of that boundary commission was to demarcate the boundaries. Clear? So if any of the communal group it decides in the favor of dividing the provinces of Punjab and Bengal. Thirdly, the Sindh Legislative Assembly would be authorized to opt out. Opt out means choose not to participate whether it desires to join the current constituent assembly or the new constituent assembly. Number 5, a referendum would be conducted. Now we must look into it. What is referendum? Referendum is a vote by the people of a country on a single political issue. It would be it would be conducted in the northwest frontier province to know the public opinion on the question of joining the state of Pakistan. The electoral college for the referendum. Electoral means an official list of the people, clear, in district who are entitled to vote in an election. So the electoral college for the referendum would be the same as was in 1946 election. Number 6, Balochistan would be granted freedom of choice to be exercised by Shahi Jirga or municipal committee. Means they would make their decision by Shahi Jirga, by the municipal committee, either they want to become the part of Pakistan or India. Number 7, a referendum would be conducted in Sylhet to decide whether it wants to join East Bengal or stay as a part of Assam. Again, the choice would be given to the Sylhet to decide either they want to join East Bengal or they should stay as a part of Assam. This division plan was accepted both parties, that is Muslim League and Congress, and voting was held in Sylhet and NWFP. Both decided to join Pakistan. In the same way, Sindh Assembly, Balochistan Jirga and Quetta Municipal Committee, they decided to join Pakistan. This is how the division, the demarcation of boundaries and the 3rd June plan it was decided. Now what you have to do, you will write a question with it, write down the main points of 3rd June plan. Clear? The points which we have discussed today, these are very important from the examination point of view, from the historical point of view. You will write these 7 points. Clear? Tomorrow inshallah we will discuss the next topic. Thank you girls. Take care. Allah Hafiz.